Once again, welcome to our YouTube channel, Poonitesh. So today I'm going to cover a topic in SAP basis, like how to install HANA database. Okay, on SUSE Linux. So for this, basically, you need to go over SAP support portal and download the dumps of DB server. Basically, IMDb server and IMDb client. Client is optional, and let me show you. So is it freezed? Yes. So let me show you the directory structure. Okay. So for installing HANA database, some prerequisites are there. Basically, we need to create some mount point, the HANA shared, where our DB will get installed, HANA data, where data files will be written, and log file where it will be where log files will be written. Okay, and USR recipe where our SID and the files will exist. Okay. So these three are these four locations are mandatory: USR recipe, HANA log, HANA data, HANA shared. Okay, these four are mandatory for HANA installation, and some swap size, RAM, memory, CPU. The, these things we'll cover later, or you can check on SAP portal. So let me show you the dump. So I'm already in dump folder. Here we have our installation files. Okay, so let me show you the content of dump folder. Okay, so the latest HANA server files are in this folder. We have just upgraded for existing system. So I'll show you here only. Okay, this is the no, this is what, the 59 version. Okay, okay, HANA 2 point, and this was 5 SPS 5 basically. Okay, and this is SP 8. Okay, SPS 8. So here you can see 8 point. Okay, 8 represent SPS 8. Okay, HANA server, it is 2.0, not 1.11, and 8 SPS 8. Okay, so and this is SAP car. Basically these two files you need to download from SAP server, and using this you need to extract this. When you will extract, you will get one folder like this, SAP HANA database. Okay, then we need to go inside this, and we can see the content of the file. Okay, so basically here are multiple files. Okay, and HDB upgrade. Okay, when you want to update it, you can use this upgrade, changing the version, you can use this. Uninstall, if you want to uninstall the existing database, you can use this HDB setup. And HDB, these also for update, changing the instance number, changing SID, these like configuration part, this is these you can use for web based UI, or this is the GUI based. Okay, and this is HDB LCM command line tool, HDB installation, which we will use now for installation, and these are the files. Okay, so basically here now we will use HDB inst tool to install it. So to install, to run this, simple, just dot slash and this run. Okay, now we will get the options. Host name. Okay, you want to change the host name, or what will be the host name where you want to install. If on another server, then also you can do it from here, or what. Okay, so by default the host name is this one only, or if you want to change the existing host name for current system, you can mention. So I'll go by default this only I want. Okay, just enter HANA shared, where installation path, yeah, I want in HANA shared only. What will be the SID? So you need to give the 3 alpha numeric character SID. So I'll give ECR. Okay, and default instance 00. That's I don't want to change. Execute work group default. Yes, I don't want to change. Hey, so sorry, I was paused the video. So this is okay. So in this step, you need to mention which type of for what type of operation you will utilize this database. Okay, whether development, testing, production, or none of the above. So you can select custom one. Okay, so this we will utilize for production. So I have selected one. Okay, and yeah, then you need to give the SID ADM password OS user. Okay, this is our OS user. For that you need to give the password, and the default directory will be for this SID USR SAP ECR home. Okay, USR SAP folder already we have created, and I want the same. I don't want to change. And this is the system administrator user ID. Just by default, I'm not concerned about this. So system login shell, yeah, bash, and a group I don't want to change. So SAP sys will be the group. Do you want encryption? Yes, default, continue. Data log encryption, yes, continue. And enter location of data volume. So here I want to change, okay? Location of data volume I want in, okay, HANA data. Okay, so I want my data volumes to be stored in HANA data only, okay? Just before we seen right here. Yes, see, HANA data folder we created to store data file, and HANA log created for log file. So by default, it stores in this. Let me show you. Okay, so by default, if you have not created a HANA data or HANA log folder, it will store in your installation folder only. Okay, like in HANA shared, okay, HANA shared ECR global HDB data, and after this it will come HDB log in same folder only. But we want to keep that in separate folder, okay. And usually best practices are that keep it on like a log folder and data folder on different server also. Okay, just mount it on this one, but keep those on different server. Okay, the best practice is that. So I have so I want data, my data folders should be in this. Enter. See, now it's giving a log folder, so that also I want in HANA dot log. Keep we keep both of these on different servers. Okay, different locations. Yeah. Next, restrict maximum memory allocation. No, I don't want to restrict it. Yes, keep it as per this note. You can check resource limits. Okay, and here basically what it means, like whatever RAM you have on your server, do you want to restrict, like if you have 1 TB of RAM on your server and you want to restrict this the HANA uses for HANA DB, like if you're running other application, other DB or other processes also on your system, and they also need some specified amount of RAM. So if you if some other process utilizing 200 GB RAM, then you can here mention 800 GB only. Then HANA DB will utilize, will not utilize more than 800 GB. Okay, even though your system will be slow, it won't. So by default, on this server, we are going to run only this database. So I'm not restricting. Okay, and here just click next. And here the password for system user. Basically, this system user is your what I can say, system DB user. Okay, so give the password system DB, or yes, basically the system DB only. And this SID which you have gave by default, that tenant get created, okay, with that SID. So the let me give the password. Okay, restart system after machine reboot. No. Yes, and configure fast restart option. Okay, these you can keep yes for production environment. Okay, but I'm not doing here. And this is the exact summary what you have selected. So standard practice, we keep the snip. So okay, so do you want, yes, HANA DB source secure store, yes, SFS format only I want. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now here you can see the just it's checking the installation files and all, and these preparing the package SAP hosted in by default. It will be installed, and these are some dependent libraries like Python libraries, binaries, and these all. And one thing which important here, that is delivery unit files. Okay, and these are by default SCP language dat files, that is English and German and other language options. And yeah, delivery unit is important for us. Then now here it just prepared the packages, and here you can see they created system, okay, with our SID, and now extracting these software, and here they are in installation phase. So delivery unit also got installed, offline cockpit also got installed, HANA, and just packages are getting installed. So let's wait. Let me pause the video. Once it is done, I'll resume.